Hi there, all of my old friends and new friends is Libby here, but you can also call me Vivid. I'm on a super fun vacation right now, celebrating the Chinese Spring Festival. I really hope all of you will missing me a ton where I'm away. If you have any question like wanting new styles, learn more detail about them, or just have any other concerns, feel free to contact us. Don't hesitate to contact us on AA. And I can't wait to catch up with you all after the holiday. Take care and have wonderful time. And we're missing all so much. 財神到，財神到，好心得好報。財神話，財神話，揾錢已正路。財神到，財神到，好走快兩步，得到佢睇起你，你有前途。財神到，財神到，好心得好報。財神話，財神話，揾錢已正路。財神到，財神到，好走快兩步，得到佢睇起你，你有前途。 廣東人嘅新年當然紅得檔，呢個係阿嫲從小同我講，着紅衫啊紅花，仲有紅燈籠，新年鬥下利是就會冇咁窮，好多靚菜我通通食光光，行完花街返屋企飲靚湯，今年賺到盆滿缽滿我最爽。賀所有冤侶花結並頭，還望各位工友百業成就，大家冇爭鬥，快樂無憂，聽隻歌輕鬆下，拋卻恨愁。 財神到，財神到，好心得好報。財神話，財神話，揾錢已正路。財神到，財神到。